All right, kids, today we're going on a fun train ride with numbers. First up, we've got our train which needs some numbers to get the ride going. We see number 1. Let's hop it on board the bright engine car. Choo-choo! Number 1 is the leader of the numbers and is super excited to start the journey. Let's find number 2. Number 1 and number 2 are such a great team, leading our number train today. Number 2 loves to follow number 1 on all their adventures. What a fun way to learn numbers with our colorful train friends!